Hey guys, welcome to question MM280 of the Maths Methods Fortify study guide. Now in this question we have the graph of f of x, which is equal to x squared, shown below. In order to find an approximation of the area bounded by the graph of f and the line y equals 4, Liam draws rectangles as shown and calculates their total area. Liam's approximation to the area to 3 decimal places is... Alright, awesome. So, we know that our total area is going to be each one of these rectangles added together, right? So we're going to get A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4. Sweet. And I'm just going to say that the first, second, third, fourth correspond to these areas. So, first things first is how do we figure out the area of a rectangle? Length times width, right? So we know that the height of each one of these rectangles is 1. Okay, so 1 there. Actually, that was meant to go out here. Awesome. So that the height of each one of these rectangles is 1, okay? So I'm not even going to bother doing the height because it's just equal to 1. But what I am going to bother doing is the length of each one of these is double the x value of the point on this graph, okay? So this point here occurs at y equals 1. And how do we find our x value from that? Well, we sub it into here. So we get y equals, we know that our y value is 1, so we get 1 equals x squared, so x is equal to 1, right? Just the positive version. I know it's plus minus, but just this one here is equal to 1, which means that our total length here is 2, right? So this, actually I am gonna do the height just to make it clear. So our height is 1, and then we're timesing that by 2, right? Because our length is 2. Then, what we get is plus second area. So again, our second area, the height is 1, and our width is double the x value at this point here, right? So our y value at that point is 2, which means we get 2 is equal to x squared, and then the positive version here is simply equal to root 2, okay? So 1 times this length here is root 2, which means that this whole length here is 2 root 2. So 1 times 2 root 2. Plus, again, our height of the next rectangle is 1, and our x value, or our length, is going to be our x value at y equals 3. So 3 equals x squared. I'm sure you can kind of see a pattern emerging here, which means x is equal to root 3. So our total length along here is 2 times root 3. So 1 is our height, and then times our width, which is 2 times root 3. As I'm sure you can kind of guess, the next one is going to be 1 times 2 root 4, okay? Because our y value is 4 there. What this ends up giving us is, if we put this straight into our CAS, we get 12.296, which is our total area, and that gives us our option of A. So guys, A is our answer. If you have any questions about this, please hit me up. But otherwise, have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video.